everyone, and welcome back to the G.life. So I'm so excited for today's video. First of all, I'm sorry for my appearance. It's been a long day. It's really late. I'm exhausted, but I really wanted to film this video. I got this today and I'm so excited. It's my Stitchfix box. I get it every 3 months, so every 3 months you guys get to see a little haul video. So let me go ahead and open it and show you guys what I got. So Stitchfix is a subscription that you can get either monthly or every 2 months or every 3 months. I decided to get every 3 months and they are pretty cool. I really like them. I've gone in, I want to say this is my 4th box and I've really enjoyed them. Basically, Stitch Fix is a subscription where you get to choose what your style is and what your fashion sense is, and they send you pieces according to that. That way, if you're kind of busy and you don't go out shopping very often, or you know, you're like me and you're pregnant and at home a lot, you still get to shop around. So anyways, they send you 5 things and each subscription is $20. So every time you get a box sent, they charge you $20. But if you decide to get something, you do get that credited. And also, if you decide to get everything in your box, you get a big discount at the end, which is really nice. And this is my 2nd pregnancy box, which is super exciting. So they'll send you like a little envelope, and in that envelope, they'll send you a little booklet with the things they send you, plus another card with all of the prices. So let's go ahead and check out what we got. Okay, I think this is shoes. So they sent a little bag. And yeah, these are shoes. They look kind of cute. Like I said, this is a pregnancy box because I am pregnant. I'm currently 27 weeks pregnant. I'm due in March. So I'm hoping that the stuff they send me is really cute, especially for Christmas time since it's right around the block. Ooh, these are cute. These are cute little booties. So they sent these booties. They're not that high either. They're like a suede. They have a zipper on the side, but they're kind of higher. I feel like it goes past your ankles, which is nice. You could totally wear these with leggings because I live in leggings now. So these booties are $60. I actually really like them. They're really cute. Before I walked in here, I told my husband I was gonna film this, and he said, okay, fine, but don't buy everything. I was like, I can't promise that. These are actually really cute. I like these. Okay, let's move on. There's more things, Blanca. All right, let's start here. So it looks like a pair of leggings. So I got these leggings and these are $48 and they're just like basic black leggings, but they do have the belly band on top, which is really nice. These are a size large and they feel nice. They feel really soft. They're black and they don't look like they're see-through at all. I'm excited to try these on. Okay. Ooh, this feels like a sweater. I'm going to like a cold climate next week and I need a sweater, so this might be, oh, this is actually really cute. This with the leggings and those booties would look super cute. This is like a poncho kind of sweater. I don't know. I actually really like it. Let me see what price this is. So this is $68. So it's like a turtleneck pullover sweater, but it's very loose. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. My husband's gonna kill me. Okay. Next is a shirt. This one, it's okay. It's okay. It's cute. It's okay. So it's just a basic like burgundy with white striped tunic. It has the ruching on the side because again, I'm pregnant. And then it has a little keyhole in the back. This is cute too, but I feel like, I don't know, like it's just, you know, it's not super like, oh my god, I love it. It's just cute. So this shirt is $48, and then the last thing on here, this is $58. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, I actually really like this. It's a cute, super cute dress. kind of looks like it has like a ruffled sleeve. You guys see that? It's like a dark teal with like super pretty flowers all over it. It looks like it would go up to like my knees maybe. I actually really like this, especially for like Christmas time or like a baby shower or something like that. Oh my gosh. I literally so far like everything except for the shirt. I'm like whatever about it. But I kind of like everything and my husband's not going to be happy about that. Okay, so let me try this on and show you guys what everything looks like. Okay, so I put on the sweater. It's really comfy. I really like it. It's super soft. It is big, but I think it's supposed to be because obviously it's maternity. But I really like it. It's like cute, but still casual, but still kind of dressy. So I paired it with the leggings that they gave me, and they feel so good. They're so soft. I really like these leggings. And then I also put on the boots. So here are the boots, and these are cute, but I don't know. I mean, they feel a little big. They feel okay, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I definitely love the leggings and I love this sweater. So here is this shirt, and when I told you guys, when I showed it to you guys, I kind of didn't like it, but I kind of do now. I just think it looks cute with like these leggings, and I think it would look cute with jeans, maybe a scarf or something like that. I really like it. I don't know. I really like this. I've liked everything so far, except like the boots. I'm kind of like about them so far. Okay, here is the last thing. It's the dress, and oh my god, I'm in trouble, guys. I like the dress too. It feels good. It's soft. It's comfortable. I definitely think if I were to get this, I'd need to buy like some maternity Spanx or something for underneath, you know, just to smooth everything out. But I really like it, and it's just like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just like right above my knee, so it's like a perfect length. I can totally see me wearing this to like a graduation, a baby shower, anything like that. I like it. I need to figure out what I want to buy and what I don't want to buy, because so far I want to buy everything. So if I were to buy everything, everything would come out to be $282. But there is a 25% discount, which would reduce it down to $20. And they take off the $20 styling fee, so I would only pay $191 with 50 cents for everything, including the booties that I wasn't too sure about. But I don't know. I don't know. You guys have to help me. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should keep and what I shouldn't keep, because so far I like everything. I always get sucked in. It's the bad thing. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe. I'll have my Stitchfix link down below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!